Cut 1. In a retro bowling alley, the Gakuhan All-Stars gather with the uncles, ready to learn. Cut 2. One member in her school-issued leotard receives a bowling ball handed with care. Cut 3. An uncle gently guides her fingers into the bowl, teaching the proper grip. Kato. Another member's swing is corrected as the uncle adjusts her form from behind. Cut 5. A teammate in a school swimsuit takes her stance, shown the exact spot to stand. Kutsis. The uncle demonstrates the rhythm of bowling steps, steady and precise. Cut 7. The ball rolls down the lane, striking pins, and the room fills with cheers. Cut 8. With a light touch to the elbow, the uncle shows the release timing. Cut 9. A gutter ball earns laughter, shared warmly between students and mentors. Cut 10. Paired side by side, the uncles and all-stars practice smooth throwing motions. Cut 11. The uncles recall the bowling boom of Showa days, memories shining in their voices. Cut 12. An all-star learns how to polish the ball, carefully following the uncle's example. Cut 13. A perfect strike. High fives echo as smiles spread across the lanes. Cut 14. Everyone gathers at the scoreboard, excitement glowing as scores appear. Cut 15. Beneath neon lights, the uncles and all-stars pose together for a timeless photo.